Okay then folks, I'm testing a new 3D printed moderator I've put on the Reximex Myth Lite, but also 3D printed a phone stand, quite a nice little one. It was on one of the websites, so I can put the sound meter on that. So I'll take some shots down range at different things, and then we'll see what it's reading on the sound meter as I take the shots. I'll probably put a sound meter probably about 4 feet away from it over there, and we'll see what kind of information it brings back. So let's get on with the test. Okay then, so got some cans down the garden set with water inside, so I've got some down there. I've got one a bit closer that we can't see yet. I've got one right down at the bottom of the garden, which I might go for first. So pellets I'm using are the Barracuda 8s. It's coming back as 22 yards. Now the top might fall off of that, that's a coffee can with a lid on it. And it did, I thought that would happen. $17.8. You can see it's bleeding out straight through the rim of the tin. It should knock it over. No, it stayed upright. You can see that there's still water in it. Next one. $18.7. That's made a big hole, that has. Emptied it in one go. Let's find the other can. Let's focus in. I think that's about right. $21.9. Still a bit in the bottom, I think. So obviously I'm on thermal at the moment. I've got the One Leaf Mars MT1000. Okay. Oh, not sure where that one. Here we go. Got spinners down there. Now if you look close, you can see the pellet splatting. Okay, so close up one then. And that's it, we're out. Okay, so that's the end of the test. We'll see what kind of return silencer brings. I will put the link on, so if you have got a 3D printer, you can 3D print it if you want. Now what I have got is a 1/2 inch UNF tap, and I always use those through these before I use them to make sure it is right. If you've not got one of those, you just got to hope that it fits. This one's 1/20 UNF fit, but for now that is it. So I've not been on for a while, I've been really busy, so this is probably the first video in a few weeks, so hopefully I'll get us some more done. I've been doing a lot with a 3D printer, to be honest, and lots with the grandkids. I'm on a holiday soon, so I'll be away again. So anyway, if you're interested in 3D printed moderators, they are worth a try for what they cost to print. I mean, probably take 4 hours, but you're probably talking of £2 at the most to print them. So if they do make a difference, well worth a try. So catch you in the next video.